When you are logging onto your email on a public computer, when you think that you are going to be the next Bill Gates for avoiding a paywall, or if you simply want to check a different mail account at the same time, you may have seen yourself turn to incognito mode. It tells you that all your information is private, but is it actually? Here's the truth about incognito mode. Welcome to Hari's Hobbies. When you normally browse the internet, your web browser stores information about the website that you visit. For example, the products that you view on Amazon or the videos that you watch on YouTube. These are called cookies. If you guys want an in-depth explanation on what cookies are, then make sure to check out my dedicated video on it. But anyways, if you're sharing a computer with other people, you may not want sensitive login information saved on it, like bank login information. This is where incognito comes in. Incognito does not store any history, cookies, form data, or anything else from your online activity. Cookies may be saved during your session, but will be deleted when you press the red X. As a result, incognito works by not saving any data from your online activity onto your web browser. However, it is very important to remember that incognito mode only prevents information from being saved onto your web browser. You can control what your web browser saves and what it doesn't, but you cannot control what your ISPs save or other servers. Your internet provider will always be able to view your history. Incognito mode only helps you protect your privacy from other people who also use that computer. This is why the home page of incognito mode itself informs you that your employers may still be able to view your history, so it still isn't a good idea to get on Facebook during work. Furthermore, incognito mode does not hide your IP address or change it. So if you're thinking about pirating on incognito mode, then forget it because it does not reduce the chance of you getting caught. Furthermore, you shouldn't be pirating in the first place anyways. As a result, if you're looking to hide your IP address for any reason, then incognito mode will not accomplish that for you. If you really want to be completely private on the internet, then the best solution available right now is to get a VPN. But something to keep in mind is that if you want to get a good, secure VPN with great internet speeds, then you're definitely going to have to pay money for it on a monthly or annual basis. How VPNs work is that all the data that flows from your computer to the internet is subject to a bank-grade encryption level. This ensures that there is no logging of your download history, web browsing history, or even your IP address. If you're looking to go down this path, then one of the best options available right now is Tor. Also, if you guys are interested in how VPNs work and if it is worth it for you, then make sure to check out my dedicated video on it right there. Going back to incognito mode, in the end, many people are under a false impression that incognito mode is a safer way to surf the internet. It is certainly a great way to ensure that other people using your computer don't see your data. But it does not stop your operating system, your router, your ISP, or websites from tracking your online activity. As a result, incognito mode definitely has its purpose and can be quite useful in various scenarios, but just make sure to keep in mind what incognito mode can and cannot do. But that's all I have for you guys this time. Do you guys use incognito mode often? And if so, for what purpose? Also, if you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing if you would like to see more videos just like this one. But until then, I'm Hari, and I'll see you guys on the next one.